So the one thing I hate about this car is the interior. I'm not too happy with it. I don't like it too much. It's time to change that. This is what we're doing today. Carbon fiber steering wheel, D-shape, OEM spec, OEM shape, blue stitching, blue racing strip. Let's get into today's video. First things first is obviously unplug the battery. You don't want the airbag popping off in our face, so that's what I'm gonna do. There's 3 holes, 1 on the bottom, 2 on either side of the steering wheel, and that's how we pop it off. I think there's like a button or some sort of spring that needs to be let loose, so we're gonna do that. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in our face, but let's check it out. All right, the bottom's off. Ah! I'm not gonna act like that was quick. That took long, very long. I think with the one thing to remember, the bottom clip is easy to get. You literally just go straight up. But the ones on the side, a lot of videos tell you to go like just straight in. You kind of have to go like up and then towards you. So like you kind of go up and then towards you, and there's like a little clip there. Time to take out the steering wheel. The airbag. All right. So ground wire, okay, white clip out.
Next, for the 17mm.
Okay, airbag out. This is scary. I am going to set it nicely and gently on the seat. 17 mil socket. God damn. I think I'm gonna need. Oh no. Got the 17 mil out. This should just. The fuck? That was scary. Steering wheel out. Let's go get all these buttons, wiring, everything on the new wheel. So for some reason, I only have 1 screw. There's a clip for like a harness here, and that's this one right there. And it's literally attached to the plastic. Once you take the back out, unclip that little brown clip that was attached to the back of the plastic, unclip it, and it kind of lets this loose. And then there's one, you see that there's 3 screws, one there, at the bottom, and on the right side. Screws are out. I think I just need a pull on these now. Yeah, 1. And 2. I think the pins, basically these pins is just to lock it in place. So I think I need to take these out. Yeah, these come out. Okay, I gotta take these out and put them on the new steering wheel. I'm gonna do this, but I'm not gonna film it. I'll be back. All right, so I got the clips on. There's the pins, 1, 2, and then 3 there. So literally every single piece you can take off the OEM steering wheel needs to come off. Just forgot about the bottom. Do not forget to get the bottom. Slowly putting it with the cover on. I don't want to scratch it, but I think I'm gonna need to. All right. Whatever. Next is, oh shit, getting this back on. I need a table. Honestly, putting these little controller on the side, there's not really like a clip. It just like, it squeezes in like very snug. Like, look, you'll push it in and there's not really a sound. So if you don't hear a sound, honestly, don't trip. But I did this wrong already. There's the screws that go behind here that hold these controllers in place, so I gotta do that first. Okay. So first, let's get the controllers in place. Oh, this is weird, dude. This is weird. Now we can put this on. Make sure we're good. Once I'm done, I'm gonna plug this back into there. All right, let's get this bitch back in the car. This is honestly the scary part of it all, cause I don't want this thing popping and exploding. Pause. All right. That's it, right? And then that looks straight. Right? Okay. Here goes nothing. There's no way that was it. Next, I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to plug the orange first, then the black, and then the ground. Wait, where does this plug into? Oh. Ha! Okay. Here goes nothing. You know what's crazy? It's easy to put the airbag on, but almost freaking impossible to take it off. It makes no sense. Anyways, check this out. Bro, look at that steering wheel. Beautiful. Goes with the World Rally Blue. Let's make sure the airbag doesn't explode. Oh, the fear. The fear running through my veins right now. I am so scared. I do not want to start this car. Okay, I'm gonna start it like this. I don't care. There's the battery. We did it! We did it! Let's go! Perfect. Volume. Okay. probably could go from 30,000 feet, but I doubt it. Right? We probably sound dumb. I said we probably sound dumb right now. Someone in the comments gonna be like, y'all are idiots. The YouTube comments when I post
Oh,
this.
you got it?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. At 30,000 feet, can you skydive? Can you jump? I don't think you can. So we're gonna end it here in today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked the steering wheel. If you guys like it, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. It does help us out and helps us get to our goal of 100 subscribers before the new year. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.